Hey there, it's Pam from Our Adventures Everywhere, and it's Monday, and I've got a couple more fun things for you to do this week. Well, one of them might not be fun, but you probably will be happy you did it. The first day is the 14th, and that is Organize Your Home Day. So like I said, maybe not what you want to get started doing, but I bet you'll feel amazing when you've finished. And don't have to worry about doing your whole house at one time. That's kind of ridiculous. But maybe pick a drawer or a closet and just start organizing. I know I'm going to tackle my pantry on that day because my pantry is a disaster and it's time to clean it all out and get it back in there and looking good. So I'll try and share some pictures when I'm finished, but that's my goal for the week. If you don't feel like organizing or just don't need to organize or just want to celebrate the day in another way, you could maybe check out a book on organization or go to the bookstore and look at the section and see if there's something that kind of piques your interest. Marie Kondo, great resource for that. I've read her book and it's very helpful. I've certainly tried to do that with my closet. I'm not real good at maintaining though. So those are a couple things that you could do to celebrate that day. The next day, the 15th, is a much more fun day, maybe, bagel day. So we love bagels in our house. We go get bagels, probably at least once a week. And so that'll be the day that we'll go get bagels for breakfast. Luckily, I think it's Friday too. So if not, it's later in the week, but I think it's Friday. So that'll be a fun, way to kick off the weekend, is to enjoy some fresh bagels. If you don't have a good bagel shop nearby you, maybe try making bagels. Or you could, if you get some bagels from the grocery store and try some creative toppings instead of just cream cheese or butter. Sometimes I'll do cream cheese, really thinly sliced cucumbers, and some smoked salmon. That is just one of my favorite breakfasts, especially in the summertime. So a couple fun ideas for you, a couple fun things to do, and I hope you enjoy your week. Thanks.